Join me as I take on the challenge of turning these passive income ideas into real cash right from my home. In this video, we'll discuss various passive income strategies that you can implement from the comfort of your home, allowing you to make money effortlessly. Many people struggle to find ways to generate extra income without taking on a second job. It's essential to find sustainable methods that fit into your lifestyle. Creating a side hustle or investing in passive income streams can be a game changer for those who want to earn more without sacrificing their free time. The truth is, making extra money doesn't have to mean sacrificing your sanity or your social life. With the right mindset and strategy, you can generate passive income that flows into your bank account month after month. Think about it, wouldn't it be amazing to have some extra cash flowing in without having to put in extra hours? One of the main reasons people fail to create passive income is that they don't believe it's possible, or they don't know where to start. They get stuck in the mindset that they need to work harder to earn more, and that's just not true. By incorporating passive income strategies into your daily life, you can break free from the hustle and bustle of the 9 to 5 grind and start building wealth. The reality is, we all have the potential to create passive income, no matter what our skills or experience are. It's all about finding the right opportunity and taking action. For some, it might be investing in stocks or real estate, while for others, it might be creating digital products or affiliate marketing. We'll explore several passive income ideas, such as investing in real estate, creating online courses, and affiliate marketing, providing you with practical examples and tips for each. One of the most popular passive income ideas is investing in real estate. You might be thinking, but I don't have millions to invest in a property. Don't worry, you don't need to have a lot of capital to start investing in real estate. You can start small by investing in a real estate investment trust, or by partnering with others to invest in a property. Another popular passive income idea is creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course to teach others. You can sell the course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, and once it's created, you can earn passive income from it. The key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Affiliate marketing is another passive income idea that has gained popularity in recent years. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, and you can earn passive income by promoting products you love. Creating digital products is another way to earn passive income. You can create ebooks, printables, or software products that solve a problem for your audience. Once you've created the product, you can sell it and earn passive income from it. The most exciting part is when we reveal how you can start implementing these ideas today and potentially see results in a few months. The key is to start small, be consistent, and be patient. You won't become rich overnight, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can create passive income that flows into your bank account month after month. As you start implementing these passive income ideas, remember that consistency is key. Don't expect to see results overnight, but instead, focus on making progress every day. With the right mindset and strategy, you can create passive income that gives you financial freedom. To wrap up, we've covered some effective passive income strategies that can help you earn money from home. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on achieving financial independence.